So about a 7-year-old grandma. We could try her, but I don't want to be responsible if she has a heart attack. Oh my fucking god. And there's friends. If we got 2 in here.
When they come out, you definitely got it.
Oh no, I am 100%. Hey, come here a second. They didn't even get any fuss. Either of you guys ever been in a Trackhawk?
No.
I'm not Andrew Tate.
I'm not Andrew.
They said like if it ever like makes that noise to try to do this, it'll go away maybe.
It's the sound effects.
Alright guys, got a vlog coming at you hot. We're just watching YouTube and we saw little scrawny motherfuckers that ain't about shit. 720s and shit and Lambos. We're like, alright, we can't be having that. Let's go pick up the camera. So, we got no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna crash. Who is that? Alright guys, so this is probably not gonna work out and it's probably not gonna be the title of this video, but I think this is what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna try to give someone, preferably girls, a ride in the Trackhawk and just get a reaction someone's ever been in something like this. I'm going to try my hardest. I doubt it works out, but we're gonna fucking, where should we go? It's like a populated area.
Westport.
You know we should do downtown, we'd be able to pick someone up. You know some ratchet bitch downtown will hop in. We'll figure that part out, stay tuned. Alright guys, it's getting dark. We've struck out at 2 gas stations so far, so I hope the brightness is good enough to where we're going to be able to see if we do make this work, because clearly it's going to be dark if we do make it work. So probably try 1 or 2 more gas stations, and if not, we'll have to try again on another day. But if you're still seeing this part of the video, clearly it worked out. If you're not, probably not going to see this video at all. But we're going to keep trying. Alright guys, we got this and that QT left. Give it probably 10 minutes at each. Hope we can't find something. So literally all we're gonna do, if we see girls get out or in there, I don't see anybody at this point, so maybe some young kids that it'll be like, want to ride in here. We're just gonna try to pick up a random person in the Trackhawk. Preferably if we find girls, that'd be great. But we'll rock out with some like 18-year-old kid that's gonna be hyped about it. But if we see him, we'll stop him. Hey, you ever been in a Trackhawk? Not big. Come on in. We'll see. We'll fucking see. So about a 7-year-old grandma. We could try her, but I don't want to be responsible if she has a heart attack. Yeah. I mean, this is like a fucking Hoosier gas station. I think our best bet's gonna be a QT. We're going QT. Well, last shot, guys. It's not looking too promising. And Harry's inside, so I might have to leave him if we do find someone. There's that stupid idiot. What a dumbass. Harry, she might be our only hope.
Go get her, dude. I'll get her.
No, I'm not even kidding you. She's by herself in her car and looks like she's middle-aged, but we might have to ask her. Should I?
Fuck it.
Oh my fucking god.
Dude, that's literally perfect.
And there's friends. If we got 2 in here.
When they come out, you definitely got it.
Oh no, I am 100%. Bro, 2 of them will be perfect, isn't it? Dude, I hope it's not fucking too dark. I'm for sure yelling at them. We ain't getting you anymore, honey. We're gonna snag these 2 other honeys. Sorry about you. If you wanted to do it, maybe next time. Oh, there's a 5 behind us too. We got all the options here. Shit, we should have came here to begin with.
Yeah.
Hey, come here a second. Oh, it's an idiot. They didn't even get any fuss. Either of you guys ever been in a Trackhawk?
No.
No. And go for a ride?
Sure. You want to?
Where'd you guys park at?
Are you gonna kidnap us?
I'm not Andrew Tate.
I'm not
Andrew Tate. Charges.
What did you say?
Where'd you guys park at?
Right over there.
So you're not at a gas pump?
No.
Alright, get on in.
We did it, dude.
What up, what up? Bloody Guts. So we're doing a documentary for Disney Channel.
Okay.
So we're just supposed to pick up random people and take them for a ride in a Trackhawk.
Sounds
Trackhawk.
Trackhawk.
We're on a trail.
We're going on a trail. It's a normal ass Jeep. All right, how old are you guys?
23.
23 and 23.
But,
23.
He could be your dad.
yeah, okay, buddy.
I'm just playing.
I'm not even 30 yet, dude.
Where'd you guys go to school out here?
No. Wait, like high school?
Yeah.
Timberland.
Timberland.
Yeah.
What about you?
Dominic.
St. Dominic. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
We're West babies.
Yep, we're Dumont.
For Zuma. Oh no way!
No way.
There's another Trackhawk literally right there. We gotta go hawk him down.
What are the fucking
No.
odds? Keep going.
I literally am. That's prime content right there. Have you guys ever been in anything fast?
I had an M6.
You had an M6. What?
Where'd it go?
Yeah, where'd it go?
I want something else. I want like an M4.
What year was it?
It was a 2010. It was a V10.
Oh,
Okay.
shit. All right.
Oh, he's turning. Damn it.
Wow.
All right. On a real note, though, if you guys haven't been in anything quick, this is gonna feel like stupid from a stop.
It's gonna feel stupid.
Stupid.
Yes.
Like it's stupid slow.
I mean,
I'm just kidding.
if you've never been in anything fast, it's gonna feel fast as fuck.
I've never like been in a fast car and it go super fast. If that makes sense. Just to skip it.
Okay.
So we need to go.
We got a treat for you.
If you hit too many G's, I'll pass because I'm anemic. So.
Oh, that's perfect. That's good content, right? Are you really?
Yeah.
Wait, what'd you say?
I can't go on roller coasters because the G4 is past.
Oh,
makes
no
me pass
shit.
Out. Yeah.
Oh,
And I
fuck.
went like 200 in my M6 and it was fine. I just don't. Think
You
I
went
could go,
200
like,
in your
super
M6.
fast. Yeah, I got up to that.
Holy fuck.
Okay. I didn't know you fucking passed out from shit like that.
Yeah. Well, I just start blacking out.
Was it just make your blood rush hella
Yeah,
fast
I
or
just
something?
make my- yeah.
Especially at nighttime, like under QT lights and shit, it looks dope. But I wanted white really bad, and I'm gonna take it off eventually. I'll probably wait till I'm like really bored of this, and then I'll do it.
Yeah.
Here, see, here, hold it like in the middle and see what the quality looks like. We might have to. I'll turn this on for this.
Oh, what, like this?
This is where we get to have the fun part. This is where Trackhawk shine.
Trail.
Let me get over the hill. I forgot there's an entrance right now.
What's that whining noise?
I don't know. I think it's like
Your car?
loose belt or something.
Yeah.
I think that might be what that noise is. It's definitely not a supercharger.
It's that turbo.
Just stop and make sure there's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
They said like if it ever like makes that noise to try to do this and it'll go away maybe. I lost everything up front.
Well, it didn't go
I don't
away.
know why you did that.
Foot slipped, dude.
My foot slipped. I told you, you've never been in nothing fast. It feels crazy.
That
Dude,
caught me. I'm not
that never
gonna
gets
lie.
old. That never gets old.
Is this the most sporadic, random QT trip you guys have ever had?
Yes, it
Yeah.
is. I was not
I
expecting.
felt like a little cartoon. I was like still like moving.
You guys didn't even come out with anything. Did you go to the bathroom or something?
Yeah, I had a pee.
Yeah, very good.
Makes sense. Oh fuck, this is all different.
Dude, I know they changed literally everything.
We'll give you guys another little hit before we get all the way up out of here. I keep losing my damn wallet.
God damn.
It's the sound effects.
Still doing that whining noise.
I
don't
know,
what the
dude.
fuck that is.
Yeah.
Take it
It's
back
almost
to
like
the
it's a
dealership, dude.
supercharger or something. What do you guys want to drop on the way back and you can launch it?
What? No.
I'm playing. I don't know if I'm that brave.
Yeah.
I might not be that brave.
I'm already a bad driver, so.
Yeah,
my
we'll
God.
go ahead and definitely scratch that one off the list.
Yeah.
Can I drive, dude?
Yeah, you got it.
Nice, dude.
Run it. Honestly though, I'm not even joking, you guys. We probably, what time did we leave? Like 7? We left at like 7.
Oh, yeah.
We've been like 4 different gas stations. We're looking for something like. At first, we were just gonna pick anybody up. I was like, if we can find girls that'll do it, that's even better. But I was like, if we can find some young kids that'll hop in here and be hyped about it, that's great.
That
But
was so fun.
I think you guys might have been a good candidate, huh?
Yeah, that's fun.
It's perfect, dude.
That was fun.
Now we got.
I like fast cars.
That'll work out
Talladega
perfect then.
Nights is my favorite movie.
Is it?
Yeah.
So she just informed us that she's anemic. So she's saying like roller coasters and like a lot of G-force will literally make her pass out. So maybe launching the Trackhawk wasn't the best idea, but I guess she's fine. She didn't pass out.
Fine.
It's not that fast, I guess.
She can sign a waiver, dude.
We'll have to try again when it's fast this time. Hold on, did you say something about my car being broken when we were back there?
Yeah, I thought your car was broken. I thought you stopped to actually check on your car. That was not the case.
Sorry guys, I don't lie all the time. I swear.
Yep.
Of like every car I've had, I've had one of these before, but it's literally my favorite out of
It's
everything.
like a toy when you drive it.
Yeah, and it's like an SUV still, so it's practical as fuck.
Yeah, it is.
All right, let's see, which car was you guys?
The Mazda.
The Mazda.
My Mazda has bloody guts too. How
Does it?
about that?
Dang! All right, guys, that is gonna wrap this up. Thank you guys for participating.
Thanks for
What are your names?
steering us, Jillian.
Jillian, Griffin,
Nice to meet you.
Reese.
Reese, Griffin.
Thanks
All right,
for the
guys.
ride.
You guys have a fun night now. Back to whatever you're gonna do before.
We're locked in.
Well, now you're. Oh,
Now
I
you
told
are
you we're
entertained.
kidnapping
Stay
you.
with you.
See ya. All right, guys.
Just message me this week if you.
All right, bet. See ya. See ya. All right, guys. That'll do it. I can't believe it fucking worked out. I seen them walking and I go, Harry? Harry? That's it. But if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, watch other videos. 2 Girls, 1 Trackhawk. That one's already out. And we also just had the Trackhawks at O-Block. So check that out as well. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next video.
Hey, I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. You can go like anywhere. I got OG crazy. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come and go, no bus fare.